There are other ways to make comparisons in English. One way is to use as, the adjective, and as. If two things are equal, you can say, for example, this plum is as big as this plum. They're the same size. Or you can say that this tomato is as big as this plum. They're the same size, or they're about the same size. The plum might be a little smaller than the tomato, but looking at them, you can tell they're about the same size. The tomato is as big as the plum, or the plum is as big as the tomato. To show a difference, simply put not in front of as. This tomato is not as big as this plum. When two things are different but similar, you can use similar to or like. This is a nectarine. This is a plum. A nectarine is similar to a plum, or I can say a nectarine is like a plum. They're different pieces of fruit, but they are similar in some ways in the shape and the color and in the taste. They have many similarities, but they are not the same. I have two guitars. This is a Stratocaster, and this is a Telecaster. They're similar guitars, but as you can see, they're not the same. They have a slightly different shape, and the electronics are different. A Stratocaster is similar to a Telecaster. I have two screwdrivers. This screwdriver is like this screwdriver. The head is the same on each one, but this one is a little shorter than the other screwdriver. Alike is used to show that two things are very similar but not the same. Take these two screwdrivers. They are alike. They're the same size, and the head is the same on both of these, but they're just a little different. This one is older, this one is newer, and the markings on the screwdriver are different, but they're very alike. These two screwdrivers are not alike. You can see there's a big difference in the size and in the length of the screwdrivers. They're not alike. And when you want to show a very, very big difference, you can say nothing like. So a screwdriver is nothing like a plum. They're very, very different.